we gonna crash? Oh, it's actually wait, which is faster? If we go to the through this part, I think it's faster because we don't take wind. We literally are using engine.
If we go through this part?
And I like how we're using like the shittiest firelances possible. I'm using grimy sapphire and you guys using glorious amethyst. Like the shittiest possible firelance combination. Just so it's cheap.
That's why I buy cheap ones just so I can use them for combat. They all do the same damage pretty much.
Royal amethyst. I look, and it's actually the shittiest. I think it does, but yeah, Gem used
Is that grimy sapphire?
yeah, it's like the shittiest. Like it makes sense I'm using it, you know? Like it's just so shit. Oh, wobbles.
So what?
We're doing a huge fight with multiple
Yeah.
teams. And they
Is it
patched
just
the
over
funny
the
glitch.
news? The what's it? The TP?
Yeah.
Do we just reset for wobbles?
They patched the.
Yeah, they patched the funny. That's so bad.
Go fuck themselves.
But they should actually, what they should actually delete is that they should make it so people don't respawn on their ships. Actually, I just hate that.
I think you should be able
Honestly,
to respawn
yeah.
one time. Or no,
Well, back
honestly,
before
just make it so if you die on a ship from a player, you don't respawn, but if you die from a cannon or a mortar, you respawn.
That will be good. Probably, yeah.
Like, if you get sniped, then it's like it's done. But like if you die to a
Alright,
player,
I'm good.
you've already lost.
Alright, I'm gonna record in 5 seconds. Because it's so cool. Alright, I am.
Oh, you guys are recording? You should just start.
Yes,
like,
because it's so
overly
funny.
swearing.
Yes, we are. The chaser range better than mortar.
Wait, is that an alliance?
Oh, it's
Okay,
an
wait.
alliance.
Are y'all in? Are y'all in?
We're in a
Yeah, I know, but are y'all in? I don't see y'all in my server.
join Howling.
Howling guard.
Are you in the main aisles? That's so weird.
Yes.
I've tried joining you twice, and it just puts me in another server.
That's weird. Maybe you tried to join. A white crystal alliance. I said that looks like it works with that.
Oh my god.
There's people fighting.
You're getting too close. We're just gonna use the chasers.
Like so no skill. Use chasers.
Okay, where are y'all?
Camp ship.
Where are y'all?
We're on. Do you see the island that it's like between
It's Kraken Island.
Salem and Perth? Yeah, Kraken Island. Oh, this dude.
Carter and I will start sinking it. You just make sure that no one kills us.
Alright.
You can start killing them if you can.
So, what's the wind? Actually, no, you check. Oh no, it's
Just
in
to the left of the map.
That's.
So
Oh,
go
okay.
from Howland, go around.
I know where Kraken Island is because I used to mine there.
No, I'm saying for Winround. Just go
Why
around.
left?
Yeah, to the left on the map, but you're right if you're coming from out.
Okay.
Unless you're taking a steamship, then just go.
Well, what I might do is I might just go to. No, it should be good.
I think that's not his ship. I think that he has the Lark.
Yeah, because this is a WCN ship.
You should kill the Lark.
We're gonna let's just get this because this is gonna give good sync money. He should still get it. He's in the crew, right?
This dude is like so passive. He's not even attacking.
Have you tried killing him?
I am. I'm in front of him. I'm not attacking. See what he does. He's not doing anything.
So are y'all just fighting on land?
Pretty much.
Yes.
We're sinking all the ships that come over here though, because they're using it to respawn.
It's already tagged. I think you should kill his Lark. Or help me. Because this dude has, I think he has a... Legend? Oh no, but it's
Once
something like Chris.
Once Carter sinks the alliance. Alright, there you go.
Alright. I need help.
Here, Carter, I'll go help him. Can you move the bingle and sink the lark?
Alright. Help! You just distracted him.
Where is he? Did you hit him with the fire line?
Yes! He's low! He... Bro. You're gonna
Fire
rejoin?
lance OP.
Yes.
Have you claimed it?
Oh, you claim it.
Okay.
I don't really care about the saltpeter. Just fine to kill. Oh, he's doing the... He's rejoining.
I'm literally just
Master,
reason-
dude. What's it? Asia alert might want to buy. He's like, price? I said offer.
By what?
The Morian turrets. I was like, I'm trolling him right now.
Bruh. I'm much trolling.
Trollolol. He sent. He put ...
it's fun just fighting.
Oh, I stopped. I stopped
Carter, I
being...
already-
Who owns this Moki? When you're done, you're sus. Where are you on the collect thing? Or this thing? Who
What are
has this
what are
Moki?
the collectors? What are those collectors?
They give saltpeter and iron.
No, but there's one that gives iron and the other one gives saltpeter.
We're at the saltpeter one.
Is it on Kraken Island?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it said it was in Clydesdale.
Right.
No, the one at
Fairly should
Clydesdale-
stay on the ship and murder them. We can stay here.
The one
Because
at
I think-
Clydesdale is iron.
It's fine. It's fine. My record. This will be pretty fun. Beth, is your these Moki yours?
It's
What are you
Carter.
drawing on?
Oh. Okay, I think
Wait,
you should claim
do
it.
you
because
do we have
Tyler's
to be
gonna
in the
murder.
same crew? Do we have to be in the same crew now?
No, but no, because I accidentally killed that. Like basically it's PvP all. You can even kill people of your own crew or faction.
Yeah, even if your PvP's on normal.
I accidentally like I was shooting, and then I accidentally hit that and I killed him. That's so sad. He's back. Okay, I'm gonna record. That's Subways. If you get
What do we
PvP
got?
normal or all, it doesn't matter. All right, I'm recording. Bro. Too many pickles.
Now I have a Poseidon to defend with too. That's good.
Yeah, I'll unlock cannons.
Alright.
Wait, so what do I do? Just touch it?
No, it's already claimed. I already have it claimed.
Yeah, you can
We're-
claim it, but that claimed it.
We're splitting it even. So at the end,
He's gonna give it at
whatever
the
we
end.
have, we split.
Does he
Carter, you
move?
should mortar.
Yeah, the pickaxe.
No, I'm
Carter,
saying
you
like, will the machine like move around to each rock?
no. It stays there. That rock never breaks.
And so now, right?
It's on O. Let me turn him around. Just disarm, just disarm.
They really brought a retail.
We're taking hits, we're at like 90.
We should wait for them to be on the island.
There you go, nice disarm.
Because if we
They're
kill them
trying
right
to
now, they're
snipe
gonna
me.
respawn. I think we should be on the island. It's safer.
Yeah, that bingo is dead.
Carter, you're gonna come to the island. Bingle's dead. I'm close. Carter, move.
Hey, will someone gun if I helm?
I'm staying here.
What if we all stand on the island? I think it's safer because the island doesn't sink.
Yeah, Carter, just swim back to the island. The ships are gonna get sunk either way. Oh wait, you're only at 70? I don't know.
Hey, you should claim it. You should claim.
I already have it.
Collect it. Yeah.
I've been collecting it.
Why can't I collect it?
Because I haven't claimed.
Can I claim
They
it?
just killed Carter. No, I just saw like something. They didn't.
It has nothing in it, so if you claim it, you're not gonna get anything.
I think we should stand behind the stone. These stones. We're gonna get sniped. All right.
We're just using the ships as like bait. Cause like,
Yeah, they're bait.
The pickles haven't
you
even
should-
been fighting over the island. They're getting sink money for all the ships. That's what they've been doing all day. Earlier, they had 5 combat logs out.
Are they even gonna like board us? Or I mean, like. Oh, there. One of them is. One of them is.
Firelance spam.
Fireless spamming.
oh shit, that hurt me.
Oh, one of them. I think we should hide behind the rocks or they're gonna snipe us.
Oh yeah, they're trying to snipe us.
Yeah, just hide
Hide,
behind something.
hide.
There's another combat log. I hope he like fight us instead of just camping shit. They are. He's so low. Healing.
They shot my leg, but I'm still. Oh, I'm dead.
I think you come back with an initiative.
Yeah.
Boys, you're 1v2. Oh, they're camping ship.
Yeah, they have to compensate.
Oh my, why is
They
he's
suck.
staying so close to the ship? Like, bruh.
Watch out for that cannon. Oh
They
shit, I'm
can't
good.
touch us on land. That's why they have.
So
the
low.
freaking-
He's really camping ship.
Just hide right
Yeah,
here, just hide
got
right
my
here.
freaking
Oh god, they're all coming, they're all coming. Here, let's all get on your boat. Cause we need a bait. Good shit,
Guys, don't
Carter.
die. There's too many.
No way we win this.
Wait, whoever has it, collect it really quick.
I don't have it collected.
Oh fuck. I'm in no stamina. I'm stamina lock.
They're fighting themselves. Come here, master.
Oh, I'm wanted. What it?
Use F instead of actually clicking. Like almost doesn't work. Master, team.
Oh. Okay, I'm reloading and shooting at them.
I know, I'm at
Hold
one,
on.
I'm at one.
Are they not killing each other? That dude is one hit. What? Oh my! I'm somehow alive. How am I alive?
Did someone
Yeah,
give me a shit
we died.
crossbow?
We come back. Die. Wait, Always, are you still there?
Yeah.
No, we're all dead.
Did someone give
I
me a
have
crossbow? Just like any crossbow?
uh,
Just like a real shit one.
it's at 30 Dura.
I got a stone one at like 70.
It's a Verd. So
Why don't we take Dead's clad?
you want to or don't want to?
I thought we are. No, it's fine, Master.
They're gonna sink it anyways. Doesn't matter.
I know, but why not delay their sync? No,
Because they're
okay,
gonna go
just
for us and then sink it.
take the tyrant to Nova, then take it.
This is
No, because we'll all split up out of the crew and just take our most beefy clouds. Because then they're gonna be focused.
oh, we can. Yeah, like we're gonna take a bunch of clads.
Yeah, just like as
I
bait.
don't know though. We won't get all the doubloons for kills because we're getting a lot of doubloons. Like it's actually profit.
Kind of, I don't know, but like we spend more in ammo than than what it would
Hey,
what we
Carter,
get.
invite me again.
Not really, because I mean, I don't know about you, but like, how much ammo
But
have
do
you
I
used?
spawn red motor manter now?
It's up to you.
Oh, dude, no. What if you had the
I
red
just take the
mortar?
same shit.
What if we just put you on the red mortar at range and just have you
Well,
snipe the
that's
island?
what we've been
But like
trying,
if
but
we do
they
that,
just
they're just gonna focus the red motor.
yeah. Because that was our thought process earlier. We were gonna have someone on the bingo really far back that would just spam the island.
True. I'm resetting, considering some stuff, and then spawning back. And go. Yeah.